Have you tried planking? Love it or hate it, planking is a simple yet powerful exercise that can drastically improve your fitness level. Planks are a timeless bodyweight exercise with endless benefits. What really happens if you start doing planks for a minute every morning? Let's dive into what happens to your body when you commit to this daily routine. The importance of core strength. Building core strength is often mentioned in fitness circles, but what exactly are your core muscles, and why are they so crucial? Your core muscles are a series of muscles in your midsection, used in most forms of movement. They aren't just housed in your arms or legs. They help transfer force from one limb to another, making your movements more effective. A strong core enhances your ability to move and exercise efficiently, supporting your back and spinal column and preventing injuries. Essentially, a strong core can significantly improve your overall muscle strength and endurance. Observations from a 30-day plank challenge. So I decided to plank for 1 minute every morning for 30 days. What changes did I notice? To start with, my core strength improved remarkably, but the benefits extended beyond just my core. My arms, shoulders, and even my thighs felt stronger and more toned. Planking might seem simple, but holding that position tests and strains various muscle groups, encouraging their development. Key benefits of daily planking. 1. Improved core definition. Planks are exceptional for engaging all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, external obliques, and glutes. Strengthening these muscles provides specific benefits. Transverse abdominis. Enhanced ability to lift heavier weights. Rectus abdominis. Better sports performance, especially in jumping, and that coveted six-pack look. Obliques. Improved side bending and waist twisting. Glutes. Stronger back support and buttocks. 2. Decrease risk of back injury. Planking strengthens your back muscles without putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. This exercise provides better support and stability for your entire back, especially the upper back, reducing the risk of injury. 3. Metabolism boost. Planking challenges your entire body and burns more calories than traditional abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. The core muscles you strengthen by planking daily ensure that you burn more energy, even when at rest. This is particularly beneficial if you spend a lot of your day sitting, as it keeps your metabolism high all day long. 4. Improved posture. A strong posture brings numerous benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in proper alignment, ensuring better maintenance and improved muscle effectiveness. Good posture means less back pain and a healthier, more confident appearance. 5. Improved balance. Struggling to balance on one leg isn't just about leg strength. Your core plays a significant role in maintaining balance. Strengthening your core with side planks and planks with extensions boosts your stability and performance in various fitness activities. 6. More flexibility. Regular planking increases flexibility by stretching all your posterior muscle groups, including shoulders, shoulder blades, collarbone, hamstrings, and even your toes. Adding side planks to your routine further enhances the flexibility of your oblique muscles, supporting movements crucial for overall body strength. 7. Improved mood. Planking has a unique effect on our nerves, making it an excellent exercise for improving overall mood. By stretching muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension, planks can alleviate the discomfort from prolonged sitting and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression when done daily. How to incorporate planks into your daily routine. Wondering how to start? Aim for 1 plank a day, holding it for at least 60 seconds. If you find this challenging, begin with a shorter duration and gradually increase. Ideally, strive for 3 sets of up to 60 seconds each. The key is consistency. Proper plank technique. To reap the benefits of planking, it's essential to do it correctly. 1. Get into a push-up position on the floor. 2. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. 3. Keep your torso straight and rigid, forming a straight line from head to toe. 4. Your head should be relaxed with your gaze on the floor. 5. Hold the position for as long as possible, maintaining good form. 6. Breathe steadily and slowly. 7. When your form starts to suffer, stop. Only hold the plank as long as your form is good. In just 30 days, a daily 1-minute plank can bring noticeable improvements in your core strength, balance, flexibility, and overall fitness. This simple exercise can transform your body and boost your mood. If you found this information helpful, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your fitness and health. Keep planking and stay strong.